Well, it is Thursday and I am back in the office. Have not been on YouTube in the last couple of days. Have been busy with court in and out of Pennsylvania and New Jersey. And yesterday I was traveling, but back in the office today. Going to be back in court tomorrow in Burlington County, New Jersey. Yesterday, before I drove to New York to a friend's holiday party, I was in court in Philadelphia, and luckily I was able to get out of there and get into Long Island before the party started. Traffic in New York was quite bad, so I haven't experienced traffic like that in a long time. With that said, they come out with a blog article today regarding possession of an instrument of crime, and this is a common crime that we have to explain to clients and their families. And the purpose of the article is just to do that. It lays out the elements of the offense. It also lays out what the Commonwealth, the district attorney has to prove beyond a reasonable doubt. And really, anything could be an instrument of crime. The issue is how the person who is charged with the crime is using it. So, for instance, a baseball bat can be an instrument of crime, but if it's simply found in a room, well, that's going to be arguable as far as whether or not the person can be actually convicted of it. I would probably tell you that's not going to happen. But again, there are many cases where the prosecutors go to trial with very weak charges. And it's important to understand that despite that evidence is weak, many prosecutors will proceed just because they're ordered to do so by their supervisors. So the purpose of the article is to lay out those charges and kind of explain what an instrument of crime is in Pennsylvania. And New Jersey has a very similar type of charge. Most states do. It's a misdemeanor offense, but the other issue with this charge is it doesn't merge for the most part with other offenses in Pennsylvania. And I put that in the article, which I'll link in here. Today is Thursday, tomorrow is Friday, coming out with a weekly update, which goes out to over 4,000 of our current and former clients in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Some fantastic articles going to be in the weekly update. Remember, it brings together all of our latest content in both Pennsylvania and New Jersey. It also features our podcast. I hope to have the latest podcast up on the website very shortly. We did do podcasts recently with family law attorney Jerry Gebhardt from the LaMonica Law Firm, who discussed typical family law issues during the holidays. It was a great episode. We put a lot of good information. And again, the podcast, the purpose is to discuss areas outside of the law, outside of criminal defense, because we know it's important to our clients and their families. But if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, website gambleandlaw.com. As always, a tremendous resource for you and your family. All my books, my blogs, my videos are available there in one convenient format. Remember, the weekend is coming. I mean, people are traveling in and out of New Jersey and Pennsylvania. Remember that New Jersey does not have reciprocity with Pennsylvania with regards to firearms. Don't take your Pennsylvania gun into New Jersey. Have a great Thursday, and I'll talk to you all very soon.